cold.
It's cold.
It's cold. Good morning. So we're taste testing the Nature's cereal. I just saw it on TikTok and it's gone viral and it looks really good. So let's give it a go. It's like a hair, there's a cat hair. What do you think?
It's good. It's cold. Pomegranate's alright.
It's just like fruit salad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Good morning. So we've had a nice relaxed morning so far. Nala's been super cuddly lately. Just in general. Yep, back into my lap. Good girl. You're so sweet. So I'm going to eat this now and plan out my day. I'm using this daily planner from the Inventory, which is my friend Rachel's brand. I'll leave it linked below if you're interested. I've just been working all afternoon and I came back into my room to see this sweet little girl just having a nap. She's so dopey after she's woken up. It's so cute. And I've got this plant here that has been hanging down and it's getting bigger and bigger as it keeps growing. So I might have to either chop it soon or find a new place for it because yeah, it's getting in the way of Nala's nap space. So I just got home. I'm going to head upstairs and take a shower and do a bit of work. And then I thought I would pour this banana water. I showed you guys this in my last video. This is the banana water from the banana peel that I kept aside. And I'm going to pour this over my plants now. I'm just going to fish this gross looking banana peel out. So I decided to give all of my indoor plants a bit of a shower, because they were dusty and just needing a bit of love. So I have been just letting them dry off for the last hour or so, just letting them drip dry. I don't know much about indoor plants, but I think this one needs repotting because it's got this big root that's growing out and it seems to be a little bit small for this pot, so I'm gonna have to do some repotting soon. But otherwise, my indoor plants are looking really nice and healthy and happy at the moment, which is really good. So I'm just setting up now to record a podcast. For anyone who doesn't know, I have a podcast where I talk all about mindfulness, meditation, and just about my own personal development journey and everything that I've been through, all my experiences and my thoughts. So I'm going to record a new episode now. Let's do this. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Kindful Conversations. I'm so glad to have you here today. So today we're going to be talking about something that I've touched on, and that is my miscarriage journey experience. And I haven't actually prepared for this conversation today. I'm just going to talk off the cuff, and I will be quite raw and real and honest with you. So please, if this is too confronting for you to listen to it, just skip over it. So this is obviously a very personal experience for me, and something that it's taken me quite some time to feel ready to really open up about. I've had to take a break from recording because I can't stop crying. It's good to cry. It feels good to let it out, and it also feels good to share my story in the hopes that other women won't feel so alone in their own experiences.